Hello class, this is chapter 13 assignment question number 9. We're dealing with an aggregate plan. So in this company has 6 workers, and for each day, each one has an 8 hours of production. So part A, we want to complete the table 1, and for table 1 we need the average demand per production day. So let's do the calculation in the Excel. So for each month, the average demand per day is calculated by the number of units in the demand divided by the production days. So for January, the demand forecast is 800. So, and also we have 22 production days. So that's going to be around 36. And for January, let's do one more. For January, so the demand is 650 and divided by the production days, which is 18. So we get around 36 as well. So we can do the same for March, April, May, and June. And the production rate per day is equal to how many production hours we have. So we got 6 workers, and each worker has 8 hours per day. So this is the total number of production hours we have, and divided by the labor hours per unit for producing one product. So it's divided by 1.6, so that's going to be 30. And the next one, okay, the next one, so let's calculate the regular production for each month in subcontract. So let's use the in-house production or the regular production first to meet the demand. If we don't have enough production to meet all the demand, the rest of the demand will be subcontracted. So let's do the math here. So for January, still we have 6 workers. Each one has 8 hours. Okay. And how many days we have? Okay, we got 22. Okay, we got 22 days. And how many products we can produce? Okay, divided by 1.6. Okay, so we got 60 production from the regular capacity, and the rest of the demand will be subcontracted. So that's going to be 800, the total number of demand, minus the regular in-house production. So that's going to be 140 for subcontracting. So let's do one more for the February. So it's going to be 6 workers times 8 hours per day times how many days we have for February? The 18 days. And for each unit, we need 1.6 hours. So we will produce 40 products, and the rest of the demand will be subcontracted. So the total demand is 650 minus the regular production. So we will subcontract 110 units. Then the total regular production cost. So let's calculate how many days we have from January to June. So we have, for January, we have 22 days plus February, 18 plus 21 for March, plus 21 for April, plus 22 for May, plus 20. Okay. So those are the number of days we have in the 6 months. And for how many workers we have? We have 6 workers, so times 6 workers, and how much we need to pay for each worker per day, so times, okay, it says average pay rate, that's going to be $40 per day for each worker, so times 40. So we have this regular production. For subcontracting cost, let's see how many units we have to subcontract. So the numbers are here, so we have to add up all the numbers together. 140 for January plus 110 plus 220 plus 470 plus 540 plus 650. Okay. For each unit, we have to pay $10. Okay. So times 10, so we get this number. And the total cost will be the summation of those two numbers.